I downshifted to second in that sharp turn, and I think I maybe accelerated too early. I was going like 45, you know, coming out of the turn. I countersteered a little bit. I think that cost me a couple seconds, or not a couple seconds, because I only shed 2 seconds off my whole time. I thought I was flying, but I was slower in the first section than in my previous run, and I really just made up for it by not lifting at the end. Really interesting to see. Like, I felt like that's as fast as I can go, but I did that first section slower, so that skid probably cost me a couple tenths of a second. I think I took one of the earlier turns a bit slow too. You know, I don't want to do that run that much faster than that until I kind of 100% know what I'm doing. I wouldn't say that that's like 100% my limit, but there's no point in like trying to beat seconds off of that when I was already, but I feel like going about as fast as I can safely. So the next thing I want to do is take the Miata on that road and push it. I have to fix my coolant leak, but that car is so slow. Tires on it are brand new. They're huge for the car, for the power that I have. I don't think that I can get in a dangerous situation. You can get a dangerous situation in any car, but I think I can really push that car to its limit before I can push the S2000 to its limit. I'm so thirsty. I've been talking for... Does my camera show 7 minutes? Oh, my yapper.